Now, consumer's equilibrium by indifference curve analysis. Consumer's equilibrium refers to a situation in which consumer derives maximum satisfaction with no intention to change it and subject to given prices and given income. So, with given prices and income, the maximum satisfaction in which the consumer derives is called consumer's equilibrium. Now, the point of maximum satisfaction is achieved by studying both indifference curve and budget line together. So, consumer's equilibrium is what? It is a situation in which consumer derives maximum satisfaction with the given prices and his given income and has no intention to change. The point of maximum satisfaction is achieved by what? By studying both indifference curve and budget line together. On an indifference map, higher indifference curve represents higher level of satisfaction than any lower indifference curve. So, a consumer tries to achieve the highest possible indifference curve given his budget constraint. So, given his income and prices of the commodity, a consumer tries to achieve the highest indifference curve because highest indifference curve gives him highest amount of satisfaction. Now, first we will understand it graphically. See my budget line and my indifference curve. IC1, IC2, IC3 are the three indifference curve. 1, 2, 3. And AB is my budget line. With the constraint of budget line, the highest indifference curve which a consumer can reach is IC2. With the constraint of budget line, this is my budget line. So, with the constraint of budget line, that is given my income and the prices of the commodities, the highest indifference curve which a consumer can reach is IC2. See, it is tangent to the budget line, okay? The budget line is tangent to the indifference curve at point T. See, the budget line, as I said, is tangent to the indifference curve at point T. This is the point of consumer's equilibrium where the consumer purchases OM commodity of X and ON commodity of Y. All the other points on the budget line to the left or right point of E will lie on lower indifference curve and thus indicates a lower level of satisfaction. Okay, so AB is my budget line. Indifference curve IC2. So, given my income and the prices of the commodity, which is my budget constraint, a consumer can achieve the highest indifference curve of IC2. Any points left of it or right of it will give you a lower indifference curve, which will give you lower satisfaction. So, now the budget line is also tangent to the indifference curve at point T. So, this is the point of equilibrium, where a consumer is consuming commodity OM commodity of X and ON commodity of Y, which is giving him ultimate satisfaction given his income and the prices of the commodities. IC1 will give him lower satisfaction. He has achieved IC2, which is giving him the highest level of satisfaction. Now, why is he not at IC3?